Hello friends, Tony here, welcome. In this video I'm going to demo two projects which I created with the same plan. I created the plan with Claude Code, and one project, this is a Cloud-Res. This is created by Cloud. Okay, so the prompt by Claude Code and also the project created by Claude Code. And the second project, which is the Restaurant.test, is created by local model, which is the Qwen 3.5. And we're going to compare now. Here, let's go and register. This is the Restaurant.test is by Qwen. So let's go and register with fake filler. Come here, and yeah, in both of projects I have run the composer run dev. And we have a dashboard. Here is going to show the total today, confirmed and pending. And today reservation, we have only one here, which is pending. We can go to book a table and we can book a table. So we can select today, two people find available, and yeah, we need to select another date. Okay, we have the list here with tables available. 11 is 26 tables, so let's, for example, let's select for 1 p.m. phone number, and I'm going to say confirm reservation. And now we have the date, the time, guest is true, and also we have the confirmation code, which is this one. We can return to dashboard or view my reservations. So here are the reservation. We are in this section. My reservation is pending right now, so table alpha 1, past all is only this one. And yeah, we can cancel if we want. We can go back and book another table. We can, so for example, for 18, find a table. Let's choose again 1, confirm the reservation, and let's go to dashboard. We can see my reservation here, pending, table alpha 1 here, and we have also the confirmation code. This is done with the local model. Now let's see the Claude Code what has done. Come here, go and register, create the account, and this one is created with Claude Code. We are on the dashboard. We have the day confirmed pending, so the same we have here, today confirmed pending, but I think the design is better on the local model. We can go to book a table. Also here, I think the local model is better than the Claude Code. Anyway, here we can select the date, find available. Let's select 1 p.m. and yeah, we can add or confirm here, and the same, we have your confirmation code and make another booking. So let's select 18, find 1 p.m. Okay, now we can go to my reservation, and here is my reservation also. Also, design here is better than the Claude Code, which is more minimal. We can cancel, and we can cancel also here, just to cancel, not to edit and delete, because we are not admin. Now let's go and log in, because if I open the plan on the verification, we can see that if we log in as a test, this and visit book, this is quest reservation, also visit admin reservation using this login as admin at restaurant.com. And this is the prompt, so I'm going to show you just a little bit. This is a fresh level 13. Okay, database migration, create restaurant tables, create reservations table, then models, a restaurant table, and a reservation. Methods is available, is table available, and available tables for slot, available slots for date, factories and seeders, livewire full page components, book.blade.php, reservations for the my reservations, and for the admin list, then we have a table management, dashboard, routes, sidebar navigation, tests, implementation of the order, and verification. So let's go and log out, and we're going to log in with that user, which is, log in with this one, which is the admin. I'm going to say just password here. And we are on the dashboard, but we need to go to /admin/reservations. Copy that and paste it here. And why we have forbidden, we are as admin. Anyway, let's come here and let's do the same thing. Log out. Let's log in with that user. Here we are on the cloud-rs, so created by cloud, and not with the admin. We need to copy this email, paste it here, and add the password. Log in, and now Claude Code has make something better. It has checked if the user is admin, has added a section for the admin, and we have all the reservations. And yeah, we can search, filter by status, and also by date. Very good. Also, we can, this is confirmed, we can say complete or cancel. All of them are completed, pending, confirm, and so let's say confirm this, and this is confirmed. Also this confirm. Yes. Okay, so also here we have very good. Let's go to tables, table B1, for example, bar, edit, and we can create a new table, capacity. Yeah, okay. We can also edit here. Now, why this works and this doesn't work? So admin tables, if I go to tables also here, forbidden, we have the forbidden. Let's open the restaurant. I think this is the restaurant. Yeah, this is the restaurant, and let's open the web routes. If we have the pages admin reservation, okay, let's see here on the mount abort unless the out user is admin. Let's open the user model. If we scroll down, is admin is going to return that this is admin to be true, but we can say not like this. Return boolean, this is admin. If it's true, in the database it's going to return true or false. And now, yeah, as you can see, also here the problem was on this one. So we have now all the reservations. The design here is, yeah, but okay. So we can filter by status. We can also filter by date and sort by date. We have pending, and here we have icons. So for example, we can make confirm, completed, and so on. We can go to tables. We can add a table. We can see also here we have the section, and this is bar, and also this is indoor and outdoor. Very good. I think this is better than this one, because the table, yeah, is just a simple one. And also here you can see we have a section for bar, indoor and outdoor, but this is looking more good. Now if I want to edit, yeah, we have a table name, capacity, section, and active and notes if we want. Okay, the same thing if I go here, edit, for example, this one. Okay, capacity, table number, section, active, and status. The design is better in the restaurant, which is created by the local model, but I think is very good, the same project. That's it, what I wanted to show you in this video, an example of a restaurant reservation built with Laravel, and one project was built using the local model, which is the Qwen 3.5 and another one using the cloud. Yeah, when I worked with cloud, I think about 7 minutes was finished the project. With the local model with Qwen 3.5, I think took about an hour to build this project. That's it, what I wanted to show you. Now, if you like such a videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, share with your friends, and I'm going to see you in another one. All the best. Thank you very much.